The tech was being put in, and we've got the new Garmin Campervan Sat-Nav with live traffic, and it's for small vans or camper vans and all that kind of stuff there. So you can see you got your campsites, favourites, trip history, weather, trip planner, trendy places and all that kind of stuff there. So that's it on the box. So here you have got Michelin, TripAdvisor, Overlander, OK code, air code, Cyclops, all this kind of stuff on the side. So let's open it up and check it out. So this is it here in the flesh. So on the back you got SD card, port, power button there. You have no buttons up on top, none on the bottom, speaker on the back, nothing on the side. So that's basically it there. And yeah, nice big screen, as you can see. So it'll be interesting to see what we get on it. So we'll look at that later on. And in the box, you get your plug-in charger here to your ashtray light, or whatever you want to call them now, because I've known in my cars they are gone. So we do have other options though, USB and your cigarette lighter, that's what you call them. No, I've none of them in my cars. And you have the mount. Give me a look. And this is the other one, so that will pop in there. This pops on here, and you then attach to the window. So let's put it together. Just pops on like so. Pops on the back there. Then you mount it to the window here. USB again. This is another charger here if you've got USB ports. Some USB ports don't have enough power. Same applies to dash cams. So you might need a converter or a stronger adapter. But these do work, but I've known, as I said, but I do have an option to convert, which is just as well. And that's it. So we'll have a look at the software, look at the UI, and look at how it works. So stay tuned for that after the break. So it's Jim from Tech Buzz. We're back now. We're going to have a look at the UI and this. So this is what we're looking at here. So you got where to, campsites, trendy places, and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go into settings here. So you get your updates in there, which is up to date. Your map on display. You have your map vehicle icon, 3D view, map detail, map theme, map layers, auto zoom, my maps, navigation, traffic, and in here you have got assistance, navigation, and map display, and your wireless networks, driver assistance. So in here you've got your speeding alert, driving alert, speed tone, route preview, and you've brake planning, proximity alerts, map display, and navigation there, which comes up under your own. You have a wireless camera. So this feature requires an accessory, which we do not have. Okay. You've got your traffic. So in there it's the same again. Units and time, language, keyboard, device, and that's what's in there. So trendy places will bring up stuff that's nearby. And your route planner, which you can create your route, your trip history. In here we have got OK Garmin phone, traffic, route planner, trip history, wireless cameras, smart notifications, trackback, and Bird's Eye Direct. And you can reorder those menus there, which is really nice. And in here, that's pretty much it on the setup there. So we've finished setup, so don't see why it's saying configure visually. They haven't got the app connected, so you can connect that to get additional features for your Garmin Campervan device. So once you get connected up to your device here, you can see we're connected all here. You have the app on your device, so you've got your Garmin Campervan in there. You have your smart notification settings in here, and then your help and about details. That's what's going to happen when you do set up with that there, so you can connect to Wi-Fi then after that if you like. So that's how that will work. So I've finished setting up and doing all that stuff there, and you can see our device is up to date, and that's pretty cool. And while we go and start testing it out now, and then we'll come back and show you how it works and what it can do and all that kind of stuff, and give you a live footage of it in action as well. So we'll talk to you soon.
Continue on M4.
So now we've got the Sat-Nav up and running, so we have typed in a destination, and it's just going to give you your rough estimate of time, your kilometres and the roads you're going to take on the way. And you'll see here like so what it's going to look like. So it gives you an estimate arrival time, the speed that you're doing, the speed that the road is at the current time, and the next turn off is at 14 kilometres on the left hand side. So you go in here, you'll get some more data like so, which is pretty cool. Over here you'll get your stop, edit route, mute navigation, towns ahead, elevation, trip data, up ahead, traffic and turns. And in here it'll give you the time. So this is what you're going to see there if you type in your location and whatever the parameters are around that location. And you can zoom in and zoom out. So what you will see coming up is points of interest, like your TripAdvisor there and Michelin star there. All these things will be in your menu to order or reorder which direction or what you want to see, like camper sites, all that kind of stuff there, which is pretty nice. So we go back out of that there and just go onto the normal map, and you can view your map here. In here you can have your route planner. So we do have a route planned. Back here you can go home, your address, Michelin guide. These will pop up on the map as you're driving along. It's pretty nice. And I'm just going to go back into this one here. And you've got OK Garmin, your phone, traffic, wireless cameras and all that kind of stuff there, which you would have seen earlier on. And your trip history is in here. Your weather is in there, so connect the Garmin Drive. You go back home. And we'll just show you them pieces there. So these are what's going to be in the menu. You have your volume here, which you can turn up and down. So you have your spoken navigation, spoken alerts and tones, button presses and all that kind of stuff there. So all that's pretty good. So we go there. So you'll go in here and you'll press go.
Going to Barista Cafe, Trim Castle Hotel on Finnegan's Way in Trim, County Meath.
So that's what it looks like there. So you're going to see your speed, your arrival. So if you go in here, you can get some more data on your speed, which is pretty cool. Your time of arrival, all that there. And then all your other little bits and pieces come in here. Your trip data, elevation, towns ahead, up ahead, traffic and turns. And that's what you're going to see there. So if you zoom in, you're going to see all the POIs coming up on the map there, which is really nice. You've also got, you'll get a warning if you hit the speed limit, so I can go up a little bit faster there. This will turn red. We're not going to be hitting that speed with the traffic at the minute. And that's what it's basically going to look like there. You can see all the other little towns around with the green dots on them there. And at night time, if you're using this, it's just a black map, as you would expect from any other mapping application. It just turns black. and that's what it's going to look like there. You can also use the Garmin Connect app on your phone to send directions to it, and use the OK Garmin if you wish to do so. But I find it pointless if you have all this here, you know. This just does a good job without having to have two devices distracting, especially when you're driving out on the road. So that's what it all looks like there when it's on the go. It's really, really nice, and you can get a bigger picture of the map if you want. So you can go further in like so, up to yourself what way it is, and your destination is there, and then you can zoom right in like that. But you can pinpoint your location as well, and if roads that you're going to turn, so just go back out with that there, and then just bring it back onto the normal map there. So that's basically what it's going to look like when it's running. It's pretty simple to use and a nice idea. I don't really find the app much of a benefit, the Connect Drive, when you can, what you do is you can send information to from your phone to the tablet, and it will just replicate it here on this. We've done this before on a different model of Garmin Sat-Nav we've done a couple of years ago. It's the very same thing, and you get smart notifications on your device as well, but you can get them here on this too, so it's all pretty much one of all the same. So I find just the one device is enough of a distraction if you're driving, and this just does the job perfectly fine. So that's basically what you're going to get when you buy this, what it looks like. Pretty nice piece of kit, really nice clear screen as well, which is really, really nice, and you know, you can't really miss it, and it's good feedback on the typing on it as well. It doesn't lag and any of that kind of stuff there, and that's basically it there. So you get your voice, it will give you directions when you're turning and what roads are ahead, as you heard earlier on. So don't be afraid of getting lost. It's going to tell you just before the turn comes. Or
take exit 8 on the left to R407, then head to the roundabout.
so if you want to use the Garmin app, you can see that you connect to your mobile phone. You can see there I'm connected to my Flip 3. So what you can do then is set up the app on your smartphone, and what you can do then is open up the Drive app, type in, say, a place you want to go, and basically what you do is press
go. In 300 meters, turn left onto R125.
So just to show you that again, so I'm going to change the address I want to go to, and we're going to go to, say, city centre. So you'll type in the information on your phone and press go, and it'll say the information has been sent to your device there.
Going to City-North Hotel and Conference Centre. As
you can see there, it's came on pretty fine, and you can get your toll information there if you need to know where it is and all that kind of stuff, because there would be tolls in that route you'd be particularly going on there. And that's basically what the map is going to look like there. So you go in here again, you can see the turns, the traffic if there's any, like so, your distance, and you can come out of that there. But just to go in and show you what you can get your elevation, trip data and your phone, and you report safety cameras, which is cool. You can get your weather, and you can see that there, and that's basically it. So that's what you can see for night time, but we're going to show you what it looks like in the night time driving once you, again, just using the app. And you can set your phone for smart notifications and all that kind of stuff if you want to do so. It's up to yourself. You just go in here and set up smart notifications here, press OK, and you'll go in there and set that all up there and do whatever you need to do, whatever suits yourself. And you can also use the OK Garmin if you want to. You can say phrases like find, navigate, and stuff like that there. Now, you know, again, this is hit and miss with like some other voice assistants, but you can do all that through that there. I don't particularly use it that much. Like, again, your weather radar, which is cool. You get that on the device as well, and your track back, so you can go back and look to where you've been and so on. Your bird's eye direct, down is that on your Wi-Fi networks, so you need to connect to Wi-Fi. You can connect your phone, so you can go in there and do all your phone stuff from there. And that's really about it inside there. And of course, you've got your owner's manual in there. So we're just going to wrap this up and show you what it's like with the driving at night on the map, just to give you an idea what it's going to look like. And it would be handy if I put my seatbelt on.
Turn left onto R125.
And you can hear there, you can get clear notifications of when to turn and so on. And the upcoming turns, as I said, will pop up on top. Same as the daytime there. Everything works the same as the night as in the day. Just if you have different background here at night time, obviously in the dark. That just wraps it up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.